The honey baked ham. So we're gonna get us some honey baked ham today, y'all. I'll give me some ham for a sandwich. Hello. What's this? Plum cake? Rum cake? Oh yeah. Honey baked. Rum cake. Oh, and vanilla rum cake too. And this is cinnamon pecan rum cake. Coconut rum cake.
The first time I came here, I didn't really know what to expect.
Wine roll. All kind of assorted sauces. Honey mustard. Mayonnaise. Barbecue sauce. Then we got honey baked sides. We got red velvet for honey baked. What's this? Green bean casserole. Mashed potatoes, loaded. Potatoes au gratin. Broccoli. And what's that? Sweet potatoes down there? Yeah. And then what we got over here? Apples, stewed baked apples. Macaroni and cheese. Beans. Hey, cheesecakes. Assorted cheesecakes. What's this? Coffee cake? Pecan pie. Oh snap! Ribs at the bottom. I didn't see that. Stuffing. Bacon. Ooh, good old bacon. Good old bacon. Oh, over here I got triple chocolate cake too. I didn't see that the first time. Ooh, we can't have sandwiches made, Pooh. That looks good. They got hams back there. Whole hams. Yeah. Take a look at that menu. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna go over here and see if I can get me some sliced ham. What's this? Ham that's already sliced? No, turkey. This is turkey. What's this? Ham by the slice. Ham is expensive. Got some salad right there. Is that potato salad? Oh no, that's broccoli salad.
Yeah, that's broccoli salad.
Got some broccoli salad. Oh, they got mini cakes. Oh, I didn't see they had mini cakes.
The rum cake. You like the rum cake?
Yeah, I do. Oh, then I got an assorted mini cake too. What is these? Like pre-made stews? Soup mixes?
Yeah.
Ooh, white bean soup. What's this? Mixed bean soup? Split pea soup? It's like soup in a bag. You just add water, right? Add the ham in the water? Alright. Alright, honey baby. Dang, I want to get... I think I'm going to get this sample. Yeah, it's a sample of rum cakes. It's got the vanilla, the chocolate, cinnamon, basically all of them. Yeah. Let me get that one. I think I'm gonna get a sandwich. We're gonna go with this, and I'm gonna go with a sandwich. Is that croissant? Is that bread croissants right there?
Here's the menu right here. They look like them. How much is the salad? How big is the salad?
The salad, it's that bowl right
Oh, it's the
there.
bowl right there.
Okay, can I get one of those too?
And I'm gonna go with the honey baked sandwich.
Okay, for your salad, it has bacon, shredded cheese, croutons, hard boiled egg, pickled onions, roasted tomato.
Yes, can I just get that without blue cheese? What's the dressing?
We don't have blue cheese. We have white Italian, ranch, balsamic vinaigrette, and honey mustard.
You can do ranch.
And so you said you wanted to get the honey bake.
Yes.
Did you want to make it a meal today?
Nah, just a sandwich.
Okay, and would that complete your order for today?
Light lettuce and no tomatoes. No pickles either.
Okay, could I please have your phone number?
202. All right, y'all. I got a sandwich. Mom got the broccoli style salad and a regular salad as well.
Cobb salad.
Now, Mom, now that you done been in here twice and I done been in here once, like you said last time, it's super underwhelming for honey bake. Like, I don't know what I expected to come in here and see, but
But it's always empty though. That's what
I don't know. I didn't expect to see it like this, right? I don't know.
I guess they drop them more around the holidays.
Yeah, but I don't know what I expected to see when I came in honey bake. But when I thought of honey bake and them having like a store, I didn't think it was gonna be like this, right? It's kind of plain in this drink. I mean, I like the simplicity and stuff, but I don't know. I felt like I was wanting more from honey bake, right? Like I came into the store and I'm seeing it for the first time and I don't know, honey bake. It's a little underwhelming, right? I don't know. I don't know what it's missing, but it feels like it's missing something. I don't know. I just can't put my finger on it. Maybe it's a lot of the empty shelves. Like, right? It's like a lot of empty shelves back there. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Maybe it could have been more product out here. I don't know. Could have been more product in there. I guess. I doubt it. I don't know. I'm no store expert. Could it have been more stuff back there? Oh, one thing they could have had, if this is like a honey baked store, like they could have a slicer so you could slice up some ham. Like, I know I was expecting that to come in here and like order some slices of ham. They didn't have that. They don't have a slicer. So, like, one thing off the break I can think of to change is to put a real slicer in the store and then actually slice up ham. Yeah. But other than that, this was our time at Honey Baked. So, close it out, Mom.
Yeah, y'all. So we gonna go ahead and eat, get a little grub, and then we're gonna see y'all back for the next video because you never know what you're gonna get. Bye.
We out. Oh wait, y'all. One thing I forgot to show is they have a choice from 8 easy family meals. As you can see, you can get ham and turkey slice. You can get a side, some rolls. You can get like a whole, what is this? Roast beef, roast pork dinner. You can get sandwiches and chips, or you can get Hawaiian rolls and sandwiches, or you can get a half a ham, half a turkey, whatever you want, right? So this how it look. And I'm ready to take a bite out of it so y'all can see the inside. It's just the mayonnaise, honey mustard, ham, Swiss, crispy onions, and lettuce. And Mom's salad. Looking salady.
Yeah, they got the dressing on the side, so I'll mix it up later when it's time to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's a lot of eggs.
And I just got chips and a drink. But yeah, there you go. Good old honey baked sandwich. This drink about to be delicious. We out.